Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, where we help you speak smart and think global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Every day, we bring you real English conversations to help you practice listening, speaking, and understanding natural English.
Today's episode is all about something we all love, food. We'll show you how to order food in English, naturally and confidently.
Whether you're at a restaurant, a fast food place, or ordering takeaway, you'll learn useful phrases, vocabulary, and tips.
Let's get started.
Imagine walking into a casual restaurant. A host greets you.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunny Spoon Cafe. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Your server will be with you shortly.
Did you hear those phrases? Table for two. Right this way. Here are your menus.
These are polite and common phrases in English restaurants. Now, let's continue. Hi, I'm Alex. I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
And I'll take an iced tea. Thanks. Great. I'll give you a few minutes to look over the menu.
Servers usually ask for drinks first. Then they let you decide on food. Let's say we're ready to order. Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken salad with vinaigrette dressing, please.
And I'll take the beef burger with fries. Medium rare, please. Perfect. Would you like anything else?
No, that'll be all for now. Thank you.
Let's try a faster paced scene. Like a fast food place.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'll take a cheeseburger combo with fries and a Coke.
Would you like to make that a large?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
That'll be $8.99. Please pull up to the next window.
Fast food ordering is shorter and more direct. Let's highlight some key expressions. Combo. Make it a large. Pull up to the next window.
Notice that these phrases are different from sit-down restaurants. The goal is speed and clarity.
You can also use casual tone and speak faster in fast food settings. Just be polite and clear.
Now it's time for some vocabulary. Here are 10 phrases you can use when ordering food. Repeat after us.
Number 1. Say it with me. I'll have a sandwich, please.
Number 2, can I get? Say, can I get a coffee to go?
3. That's all, thank you. 4. For here or to go. 5. Dine in or take away.
6, would you like a drink with that?
7. I'll take the combo.
Medium rare. Well done, rare.
9. Extra sauce, please.
10, can I see the menu?
Try repeating each phrase to help your memory and pronunciation.
Ready for a mini challenge?
Write your own food order in the comments. We'd love to see what you come up with.
Example, I'd like the chicken wrap with extra cheese, please.
That's it for today's episode. You've learned how to order food in restaurants and fast food in real English.
We hope you feel more confident using these expressions when you're hungry and ready to speak English.
If this episode helped you, please hit the like button. It supports our work a lot.
Don't forget to subscribe. We post daily English conversation episodes just for you.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite food to order in English?
We're Daniel and Sophie, and this is the Daily Dialogue.
See you tomorrow with another real-world English conversation.